Hello my friends, today is November 28, 2014. It is Black Friday, but I'm staying home. I'm doing instead a video for you guys. This video is about my Dyson. 10 months ago I bought it. 10 months ago I made a video review about this Dyson. I got some nasty comments on my videos like, in 10 months it will be in a landfill, and other little bit derogatory comments about the Dyson. Now after 10 months I show you that this Dyson still works 100%. It has lost none of its suction power. It is still there. Alright, here you see, after 10 months of use, and we use it quite a lot, even the brush head looks like new. And we're going up here to the ball, and here is the dustbin. Yeah, the dustbin is a little bit dusty, but what do you expect? It collects dust. But other than that, everything is still okay. Never had any technical problems with that Dyson. Okay, to show you that it really still works great, I have here some potting soil. I know it's not the worst dirt. Other guys, they use emulation of cat hair and other fake stuff. But that's all what I have, and you will see it's just sufficient. Let's put some dirt on the floor. Now, isn't that fun? Lots of dirt. Dirty dirt. Ooh. Now a little bit more. And more. Oop. All right. It's dirty. And now, let's work it into the floor, into the carpet, I mean. Huh? See? Yep. That's in it now. Lots of dirt in it. All right. Well, this is a lot of dirt now. Alright, I'm starting the engines again. Okay guys, see, it is clean. I really worked the dirt into the fiber of the carpet. Now there's nothing, see? Clean, very clean. Alright, and now we test the performance on hard floors. And this here is a kitchen, very hard floors. Again, my trusty potting soil. Let's do it again. Ooh, all the dirt. Alright, should be enough. Alright, I'm starting the engine again. can see, it is clean, very clean. There is no more potting soil left. So, after 10 months, this Dyson, we have used it quite a lot. This Dyson is still working great. And now, to remove the dirt, very easy, just press down this button and here it is. You see, the seal is still strong, nothing comes out, absolutely nothing. You see how full it is? Everything what I put on the floor, it picked up 100%. So in order to empty it, you again just press the button here and boom, there it is. Everything comes out nicely and clean. I didn't spill much, at least. I didn't spill anything. Keep it closed. Very good. That's it. And then you just put it back into the Dyson. You angle it a little bit. Wow. That's it. That's technology. That's good stuff. Yeah, so... Well, this is a Dyson. After 10 months, still working great. Yeah, I love this vacuum cleaner. I would buy it any time again. Alright? Well, this is Michael, and please look out for my next video. Bye bye.